Hello, my name is Miss O'Deal, and I am a theater teacher for Kids Smart, and I'm doing some lessons on acting and ELA for Mildred Osborne. Today we're going to be using called a story, and we're going to use this to create Tableau. What is a tableau? A tableau is a frozen picture that we create with our bodies that tells a story. So there's a few things that I want you to know about a tableau. First thing, you have to stay very, very still. Next, no talking. You must be very silent. After that, I want you to remember to have lots of energy, even though you're perfectly still. How do you do that? You play and see. How can I have lots of energy and be very expressive and not move? Next, I want you to be very focused. You're looking in one place and you can't move your head and you can't wiggle your body. You have to stay focused, concentrate, and look at that one place. And then with your whole body, I should know what part of the story you are acting. So what do we need to create our tableaux today? I want you to get a scarf. And you're going to use the scarf to help you create your character. You need to have read the book or listened to it in the video that I made. Then we need to know the characters. We have Ananse, we have Niame, we have Osebo, we have Omboro, and we have Mwatia. Is we're going to choose one character that we want to create 3 tableaus. Now these 3 pictures are going to tell the beginning, the middle, and the end of this character's story. I am going to tell the story of Mwatia, the fairy that no man sees. And for Mwatia, I'm going to use the scarf and I'm going to drape it on my back. And then I'm going to hold it with my hands and then I'm going to use it. We first see Mwatia as she comes dancing underneath the flamboyant tree. Now we look at her facial expression. We look at what she's doing with her body, so she is dancing. Then what happens in the middle? Mwatia getting really mad at the gum baby. She slapped the gum baby. So we have to use our imagination to imagine when she slaps the gum baby and she gets stuck, what she's feeling like. So what is her facial expression? So we have to use our imagination to create a new picture, a new tableau. And here we see Mwatia with Osebo and Omboro being delivered to the sky god. Now we can't see her facial expression, but we can imagine. How do you think Mwatia feels after she's caught in a spider web and taken to the sky god? How would you feel? Okay, so now I have my scarf. I know what I'm gonna do. And I'm going to ring a bell 3 times and then freeze. So I start in neutral. My hands are on my side. So now it's your turn. One thing you don't want to do is you don't want to turn your face away from your audience. Okay? That creates what I call a dead body. Why a dead body? Because I can't see your facial expression, and so I don't know what your character is feeling. Okay? So you want to make sure that you're looking at your audience. And who's your audience? Maybe there's somebody at your house that can watch you, or maybe you can borrow someone's phone and you can record yourself. Yeah? Or you can have somebody take pictures of you. Now you can do the characters from this book or a book that you've already read, and you can create another character. Stay really quiet and really frozen. Go have fun. 3, 2, 1, freeze.